Good day, everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of coffee, a favorite beverage for many and a morning ritual for most. But did you know that this beloved brew is more than just a pick-me-up? It's a metabolic catalyst, a body temperature booster, and even a personal trainer for your muscles. Coffee's secret weapon is caffeine, a natural stimulant that sets your body in motion. When you sip your morning cup, caffeine signals your nervous system to release adrenaline, prompting your body to burn fat and work harder. It's like having a personal trainer right in your cup. But the benefits of coffee go beyond just a jolt of energy. It increases your body temperature, which might sound odd, but a little heat can help you burn more calories. It's your body's very own furnace, stoked by every sip. Caffeine also boosts physical performance, helping you push harder during workouts, leading to more calorie burning and even better results. Feeling peckish? Coffee can help with that too. It's known to suppress appetite, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. And research suggests that coffee can positively impact hormones like insulin and leptin, which play a significant role in metabolism and weight management. Not to mention, coffee's prebiotic properties might help your gut bacteria thrive, which can also benefit your metabolism. So how can you maximize these metabolic benefits? Moderation is key. Stick to 3 to 4 cups a day to avoid unwanted side effects. And when it comes to coffee, quality matters. Choose organic, high-quality beans for the best benefits. Skip the sugary creamer and excessive toppings. Enjoy it black or with natural sweeteners. And remember, coffee can be dehydrating, so be sure to drink plenty of water alongside it. And lastly, take a mindful moment to savor your coffee, appreciate its aroma, and enjoy the ritual. While coffee offers amazing benefits, it's important to remember that too much can have negative consequences. Listen to your body. Avoid excessive intake and always prioritize sleep and overall health. So, coffee lovers, enjoy your brew responsibly and reap the rewards of a boosted metabolism. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key, and coffee can be a fantastic partner on your journey. Thank you for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Here's to your health and your next cup of coffee. Cheers!